meditation on science and technology. Scientists should always bear in mind the need not to harm. I am thinking in particular about genetics and its potential deviations. The fact that one day we might be able to clone individuals whose only reason for living is as a source of spare parts for others seems utterly terrifying. In the same way, I would condemn the use of human fetuses for research purposes, and as a Buddhist, I would also have to condemn vivisection and all other cruel practices carried out on any living being, even if this is done in the name of research. How can we deny the right not to suffer to a whole class of beings when we uphold it so fiercely for ourselves?